Welcome to your home garage, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to gain some space in your garage with the use of these auto dollies. Now, if you're in a similar situation to mine with limited space in the garage and you need to store a vehicle over the winter, then any sort of space that you could gain would be absolutely welcome. So my goal is to tuck the Corvette as close to that wall as possible, and what that'll do is give me some extra space in the middle of the garage for some winter projects. So let me start with giving you a few specs about these wheel dollies. So first off, there is some assembly required when you order these, and that means that you've got to attach the casters to the metal plate. And it's not all that difficult because all you're really looking at is just a nut and a locking washer, and you're good to go. And these bearing casters make this incredibly easy to move around. And as you can see, the metal plate on this is thick, so you're looking at about 1/4 of an inch right here, and the weight capacity of the set of 4 is 6,000 pounds, so call it 1,500 pounds per dolly. And because of this design, it'll provide a flat free tire for the duration of your storage. So with my jack and my puck ready, let me go ahead and demonstrate how easy it is to put the dollies under each one of these tires. Now, just a little helpful tip with the casters, try to point them in the direction that you're actually going to start moving in. That way it kind of helps you with momentum. So now that I've got a dolly under each one of the tires and the casters are actually pointed in the right direction just for momentum, let me go ahead and push the vehicle closer to the wall. So here's the end result. The Corvette's about 4 inches away from the wall, which is absolutely perfect. So there you go, the Auto Dolly in use. Now, simple and convenient, and a great way to move your vehicle around for winter storage, or even if you have a project car and you need to get it out of the way, here's a great alternative. Now, these were purchased from Corvette Central, so I'll go ahead and link that in the description below as well. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Of course, share it with a friend, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. And we'll see you next time on Your Home Garage.